I welcome you all my dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.5 class 8 chapter number 3 exponents and radicals. Here question number 1 is we need to find the value of x and here you can see that in the LHS part we are having the base 3. तो आपको ये ध्यान देना होगा कि LHS में जब base 3 है तो RHS को भी base with respect to 3 में लाना है. You know that 3 2 just 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27 and then 3 3s are 9. So how many 3 we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write down 3 to the power x can be written as 81. When we are doing the prime factor, we are getting it 3 to the power 4. Now when you are having the equality sign and base is same, the power will also be equal, and in this way we are getting that the value of x is 4. Now next is 5 to the power x minus 3 is equal to 125. Again LHS we are having 5 as a base, so RHS also will try to make 5 as a base. So 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3 because 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. Again we are having the base same, so the power will be equal. X minus 3 equals to 3. Minus 3 will go that side and it will become plus 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So the value of x is 6. Now next is 6 to the power x equal to 1. Again LHS we are having 6 as a base, but RHS में 1 को 6 का base कैसे बना सकते हैं? You know that any number to the power 0 is 1. So what we can write down? 1 can be written as 6 to the power 0. Now base are same, so the power will be equal and the value of x is equals to 0. Now next is 3 to the power x plus 4 equals to 1. Again LHS we are having 3 as a base, but in RHS again we are having 1. So similarly what we can do, you know that any number to the power 0 is 1. So 1 can be written as 3 to the power 0. Now when base are same, the power will be equal to each other. X plus 4 equals to 0. Plus 4 will go that side and it will become minus 4. Now next is 9 to the power x equal to 1 by 81. You know that 9 to the power x equals to 1 by 81 is the square of 9. 9 9 is 81. Now we will do the reciprocal. 9 to the power plus 2 will shift upward and it will become now 9 to the power minus 2. Now again we are having the base same, so power will be equal and the value of x will be minus 2. Now next is 3 to the power 2x equals to 1 upon 27. So 27 we know that it is the cube of 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. We will do the reciprocal and 1 by 3 to the power 3 will become 3 to the power minus 3. Now base are same, so the power will be equal. 2x equals to minus 3. So the value of x will be minus 3 by 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 9 टू द पावर x इक्वल टू 1 बाई 27. अब हमें बेस सेम करना है तो हम देख सकते हैं 27 तो 9 के किसी पावर में आता नहीं है बट 3 के पावर में आता है, तो हमें 9 को भी 3 के रेस्पेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करना होगा एंड वी नो दैट 9 इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 एंड 27 इज द क्यूब ऑफ 3. सो जब पावर का भी पावर होता है मल्टीप्लाई होता है एंड 2 into x will become 2x and here 3 to the power 3 will reciprocal and it will become 3 to the power minus 3. बेस सेम हो गया तो पावर इक्वल हो जाएगा 2x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज माइनस 3 बाय 2. Now next is 3 to the power 5x minus 1 equals to 9. So this will remain 3 to the power 5x minus 1 only, and 9 you know that it is the square of 3. Now again the base are same, so the power will be equal, that is 5x minus 1 equals to 2 and minus 1 will go that side, it will become plus 1. So 5x will be equals to 2 plus 1 is 3 and the value of x is 3 by 5. Now next is 3 to the power 2x equal to 9 to the power 2x minus 4. Now this will remain 3 to the power 2x, but 9 you know that it is the square of 3 whole to the power 2x minus 4. So this we can write down 3 to the power 2x is equals to 3 to the power to the power will multiply. 2 2s are 4x minus 2 4s are 8. Now we are having the base same, so the power will be equal. 2x equal to 4x minus 8. So this will become minus 8 will shift this side, it will become plus 8 and plus 2x will shift that side, it will become minus 2x. What is 4x minus 2x? That is 2x is equals to 8. Now into 2 will go that side, it will become divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. So the value of x is equals to 4. Now next is 7 to the power x equals to 343. We know that 343 is the cube of 7. So now the base is same, so the power will be equal and the value of x is 3. Now next is 5 to the power x minus 3 equal to 1 by 625. So we can write down 5 to the power x minus 3 equals to, if you will factorize this 625 then the prime factor will get as 5 ones are 5, carry forward 1, 5 twos are 10, carry forward 2, 5 fives are 25, then 5 25s are 125, 5 fives are 25 and 5 ones are 5. So how many 5 we are getting? We are getting 5 to the power 4. So plus 4 will shift upward and it will become 5 to the power minus 4. Now base are same, so the power will be equal to each other. X minus 3 equal to minus 4. So x will be equal to minus 4 and plus 3. That is x equal to minus 1. Now next is 7 to the power x minus 4 equal to 49 to the power x minus 6. Now we know that 49 is the square of 7, and when we are having power to the power will multiply. So 7 to the power x minus 4 equals to 7. 2 into x is 2x, minus 2 6 are 12. Now base are same, so the power will be equal to each other. X minus 4 equals to 2x minus 12. Now minus 12 will come this side, it will become plus 12, and plus x will shift that side, it will become minus x. 2x minus x is x, and 12 minus 4 is 8.